Hi friends, welcome again. Before going into the video, let me give you my statutory warning. Please do not try this on the road. Try this only in your home. So today what we are going to see is how to play a movie in the AVN of a Hyundai Creta even when the car is moving. This is the AVN of the Creta. Mine is a 2017 model. I'm not sure whether this technique would work in the newer models. Before going into the video, let me remind you that trying this on the road may cause distraction for the driver and may lead to fatal outcomes. So I highly recommend you not to try this on the roads. Now let us go into the video. Usually you can watch a movie in the AVN when the car is idle. You have to just load the movie in the pen drive and you have to select USB video from the options menu and the movie will start to run. What happens when we move the car while the movie is running? The audio of the movie still runs and the video will not get displayed. We will get an error message, cannot operate while driving. Please try again after parking the vehicle. All you have to do now is, you can see a button with a gear symbol on the left side of the panel. Just give a long press to that button. Once you press this, the device info will get displayed. It includes the device ID, the software version and the navigation ID. After that, all you have to do is just press on the top left and top right corner and press on the center top 5 times. I think it didn't work this time. Let me try once again. Single press on the top left, single press on the top right and 5 times you press it on the top center. And then it will ask for a password. The password is 0744. After that, this will go to a menu screen where you get a lot of options. Go to page 2 and select ignore driving restriction and ignore alternator signal. And then you can come back. Now you can play the movie again. Now if you move your car, the movie video will still get played. See? This is how you do it in a 2017 Hyundai Creta. Once again, let me remind that please do not try this on public roads. Thanks for watching guys. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos.